Hello, this is Kittens cycling in Ireland. The place I've visited today is one of the Greenway that recently opened. It's Boyne Valley to Lakeland Greenway. And as you can see here, today I've brought my Brompton, not my road bike. Because today's the whole cycling distance would be only 40 kilometer, and I won't be even covering the whole length of the Greenway. The Greenway itself starts about 1 kilometer north of Blackwater Park, where I parked my car, and the section leading into Navan town was still under construction, which was quite inconvenient for me. And the surface is well paved, but this is only true for a short section from the start. After a couple of kilometers, this surface soon becomes a gravel path. Obviously with flowers, trees and meadows, and with this great weather, the Greenway sure looks beautiful. However, the thing is, I almost never cycle on gravel greenways. It's because riding on that gravel surface feels very unpleasant, and also the parts of the bike gets easily damaged. From this point, the Greenway turns into a gravel path, and like I said, I almost never cycle here. I only walk on or run on these greenways, especially gravel paths. There are some 100% paved greenways in Ireland. Two of the most famous ones are one is a Waterford Greenway and the other one is the Limerick Greenway. I might pay a visit there soon, camping. Here is the Greenway Hub, which is a service area about 7 kilometers from the start. And because this Greenway is quite new, still lots of parts are still under construction. You can see on the right there are buildings, and they also look like a little bit like a shed or a container. I'm buying a quick cup of coffee here. There's a coffee place here, and on the right side there's a bike hire. So even if you haven't brought your own bike, you can hire a bike here. But still, there are plenty of visitors enjoying the lovely summer sunshine. Right? Today was really an exceptionally good day. And at some point where it became less crowded, I'm flying my drone here. And this is the new DJ Mini 4 drone with the amazing active tracking feature that I bought recently. And when I checked the footage, I was quite surprised how people reacted to my drone. Okay, they were all very excited, and to see this tiny little thing in the sky that's following me autonomously. The thing is, I fly my drone very carefully because the noise, even though how small drones are, they can really disturb people. Now, this is a Greenway view from the air. It looks like this. See the amazing Irish countryside. And here I'm arriving at the village called Nobber, the final destination of today's trip. And it's about 20 kilometers from Navan, the Blackwater Park. And from here I'll turn back and head back to the starting point. This is the beauty of active trekking. I can see the bridge. The drone smartly outmaneuvers it without crashing into it. Obstacle avoidance. And here is a small path leading up from Greenway into Nova village. And you can see in the video that locals have kept a really good landscape here, which looks so pretty. I'm thinking of visiting the cafe called Greenway Cafe, but unfortunately it was already closed, given that it's only 3 p.m. on Sunday afternoon. That's a bit of a shame.
And you're not open?
We're finished, sorry.
Alright, no problem.
Anyways, now I'm heading back to the Greenway through these lovely houses, and I will be cycling back to Blackwater Park in Navan. And it was charming to see lots of babies on their bike with their family and their sisters and brothers. And and obviously you have to cycle very carefully. Now I'm back at Blackwater Park in Navan, and instead of packing up my bike straight away and heading back home, I will be doing a quick detour around the park itself, and I think the whole distance was about 2 to 3 kilometers, and the surface was absolutely fantastic. And when the weather is this nice, everything in Ireland looks like a haven. This sums up today's cycling, and for the Greenway, it sure was great, but obviously a majority of the portion of the Greenway was gravel, which was very painful for me to cycle on. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.